What is your superpower? The superpower of ADHD is hyperfocus. It means you can get a lot of work done in a short time when you're in this phase of mind. Now, a few years ago, my daughter was 7. She came home from school and told me all the bones of the cranium or the head. She was 7 at this time. So I turned around to her and I said, Shem, when did you learn all this? She said, 3 days ago. But why does the teacher keep repeating herself? I hate it. You see, my daughter has hemiplegia. She had a stroke at birth. And a byproduct of hemiplegia is a photographic memory. Even Microsoft noticed this and employed a lot of people with hemiplegia because you tell them once and they get it. In meditation, we learn to focus on an object or the breath. This is because anything you focus on comes to a distraction, and a distraction leads you from your purpose. So when you're focusing on nothing, you get everything. It does not mean you get nothing, but you got to work through the process like defragging your computer or the computer of your mind, like cleaning out the junk of your mind. It is no different. Like always, the choice is yours. You have to do the work. Tuk tika.